Imo ng style more. Hello guys, good evening. Biyahe ming Lenmar. We just came from Radisson Blu, Cebu, and I was at an event called the Gala Night for the CALA, so Cebu Association of Cebu Association Language Academy. Kaya okay, CALA Familiarization Tour 2026. Diba? So it's like an organization of ESL schools in Cebu. Alright guys, na magbiyahe me. And muna ang nindot ng CLLA na daghan may ESL school sa Cebu. And I think today ang mga delegates na gipaapil sa farm tour are really, guess what countries ba? So mga what countries ang kapapamuon sa nilang countries? Most of them are China, Taiwan, Vietnam, Thailand, Mongolia, Saudi Arabia. Mauna ilang mga delegates, and even Japan. They're trying to attract these nations, these countries. Kato mga agents anak kanang mga sila mga, what you call it, kanang mga education agents. They're trying to attract kanang mga their locals, the residents who wants to study in the Philippines. And it's nice to know na may mga na kumpanya ba na there are companies doing that. So like kanang CPILS di ay kanang may ngana daghan kuan kanang CALA is like composed of the 12 biggest ESL schools, and yeah, kanang nagi sa mga most of them mga foreign yun na ilang mga CEO, mga tag-iya, or ilang ilang top management ba. A lot of Koreans. Moto na siya kung ano why Koreans, okay? Because feeling na ko one ay Koreans because these companies are owned, many are owned by Koreans, and they don't need agents because they probably have offices in Korea. Pero interesting kaya. I think that it's a big potential na kanang we will teach China English or even Vietnam English. Okay, matod pa sa akong amigo na lisod kayo dito mato kag China, di kay ba man English ang mga incheck, and maybe we can help them, diba? Although mo lagi na, it could be a double-edged sword because if we help them speak English, then the more na mabiyaan tas tourism nila kay minus lang in English. Pero hey, English is a language, and either way they're gonna learn it mangyod no matter what. So why not just learn it here in Cebu, diba? If you're a foreigner, we have friends na foreigners na wants to learn English, especially kana itong mga Asian neighbors. Tell them to come to Cebu and learn English here, diba? Naghandirag mga na schools na like boarding schools na may mga swimming pool. I didn't know ba ang ilang mga schools rin, ng mga boarding schools rin Cebu na language schools ba, may mga swimming pool believe ko paglupig pang muskulahan na to rin diba, na mga kananan mga hotel ilang room, wow. Bitaw kung if I were kasi mahal sa tingin na, but with the current exchange rates at barato ra na nila, reasonable ra ba, mas barato tingin di hapon diri mo eskwela kaysa sa abroad sila mo eskwela. And the difference is kuan pagid ba, some people pwede mo ta mag online lessons, so hindot ng online, but feeling nako lahi ra gihapon ng face to face na mga classmate, interact with others, practice mo in English. Labi na, it's like an international school, a multicultural school. Nakiklasmate na Rabo, nakiklasmate na Incheck, nakiklasmate na Hapon, na Thai. Balingaw tingin na, feeling na ko nakiklasmate na even Vietnamese. So it will broaden your horizons. Mabuti na sayop tingin ako when I was younger, I didn't realize usahay ba na lipay na kay kaasa ka ba, proud lagi ka, proud Filipino ka, proud unsa ka. Pero I didn't realize that sometimes going out will broaden your horizons. Nang bata pa ka ba, kanang biyahe ka, pag makita nimo ang world na, hey, abi nimo nindot na kayo ninyo dire or advance na kayo mo, but when you go to out in the world, you will realize also, you learn something sad na naay mga differences, o diba, naay mga advantages each culture, diba, for example in Japan, yung mga ninja, sama na yung kanang white ninja diya, hindi na ninja, pero point ako ana ba na, yes, why not, when you're younger, diba, kaning those people have opportunity to study abroad. I think kana iya ma-broaden yung experience ba, and then we live now in a very connected world, and understanding other cultures is actually an advantage. Diba? Diba kana bang, what if kaning mga uban, who knows, I think nating mga himong actor or the K-pop stars na nag-eskwela sa Cebu, probably there are, pero mana ba na, importante kayo tanaw ng mga K-pop artists karon i-value na lang kay ba mo in English, uy, di ba kada bang kay international stars naman, international naman, even music is international, so you know, English skills or language skills are pretty important, so why not, if you're you know, kids in Japanese, Korean, di ka ba mo in English, Chinese, come to Cebu, di ba? Diba? And also by these cultural exchanges ba, matakabaw ma-develop, we'll have friendships, diba? Friendships, understanding. What if they, for example, ang future leader sa China kita let's just say in the next 30 years ang mo emerge a new leader sa China studied in Cebu, di ba? Kuha na kayo na parang nasa lab nilang Philippines, kahit paano that they will say, the close ilang heart that they will, you know, promote, di ba? Or really what, let's say promote trade, di ba ka na mga promote, ka na mga kuhan mo di-escalate sa mga kanang gubot-gubot, because you know, nagkasinabtanay mo or amigo mo, easier to negotiate na, di ba? So panindot ra na, so why not, di ba? Well, let's help market our schools here, di ba? Although many schools are owned by foreigners, but hey, many teachers are Pinoy, yan na, Pinay, nag-iuban, nagsigog binuang ganyan na, some even nagkadayon sila silang gituturan o in English, kuy kaila na pag uyab sa mga kwan yan uban sad magpukan sad kay sila kay mga Koreano, Hapon, amis kay panit, di ba, or crash dayon. pero yeah, that's not the purpose sa kanang love but yeah, it happens, pero para na. So man, I mean, you were younger, una akong question, would you have considered studying abroad, di ba, kung nalay budget imong pamilya, di ba, or na opportunity na scholarship, di ba, nindot tingay, no? Di ba, lahi rasad ba? So mauni nasa gilisa na sa tinang ads diri kay padung na ni
Naguba.
Naguba? Naguba ba?
Traffic dahil nakuan.
Nasangit? Sangit dito. Baho. Naguba dito, I didn't know. No, wala natin.
Trailer mura mo
Mga truck na tagas kaayo. Di ba?
Truck na kayo.
Maghinay ng traffic dre. So anyway, mao na tong kuan. Magiampo lang. Padayon lang na. And yes, kuan na. Mao ni appeal sa trust sa atong tourism. Then mao na de bago na de atong tourism secretary. Ilisa na tong kuan ba si Ma'am Cristina Frasco ba, para gid nako bagay sus. Sayang kay ba na sometimes mangunay mga Cebuano na may manira ba. Para agad nako kuan lang. She was one of the hardworking cabinet secretaries na mga kailagot ta. So meaning tasog awareness, because in a way nasad siya pirmi, and although masad laging i-criticize niya kay nasad yang naong pirmi bisag asa mo sad masina sa training mga tao, but sige na lang. Ato lang mana what's done is done, diba? But wala na, we hope na padayon lang gihapon ang turismo. So padayon lang gihapon ang Cebu as the destination to be, diba, sa Pilipinas. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. So, let me know what your thoughts about this. So, padayon lang. Salamat kayo. Bye.